In today's video, we're going to make the Hello World problem in Scratch. When you first start Scratch, you should get a window that looks something like this. On the far right hand side, you can see the stage, which is what the user will see in the end using your program. In the middle, you'll see the components where you actually tell your program what you want it to do. And on the far left hand side, these are the different things that you can get your program to do, and the different categories are at the top, and in each category you can see all of your choices. We're going to begin with our first sprite or two-dimensional picture. To begin with, it's just called Sprite 1, and you should always give it a proper name so that people know what they are. So since this is a cat, we're just going to call it cat instead. Every program should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So we're going to start by putting the beginning piece of code down. Beginnings start with this little curve. So there's several you can choose, and we're going to choose the when the green flag is clicked. So remember, over here in our stage, there's a little green flag, and that starts our program. To end our program, we're going to use the stop script or end the piece of code. In the middle, we're going to use the looks, and we're going to use this one that says say hello for 2 seconds. Now our program wants to say hello world, so we're just going to click in here and change that to say hello world. And if you want it to last for longer, you can click in there and change the number of seconds. Now to make the program work, you have to click all these pieces together, sort of like Lego. So when you move them closer, you'll see the little white line show up. When that happens, you can release, and they're now clicked together and move as a continual piece. So we're going to click our 3 pieces together. So in our program, when you click the green flag, our cat will say hello world for 4 seconds, and then the script will stop. So we're just going to test our program and see what happens. And you can see that he does say hello world, and 4 seconds later it stops. You'll notice when you run the program, the piece of code that is running gets highlighted so you can see exactly what's happening. And that's it. To save our program, you can go File and Save As, and you get this nice little window. As always, try to save it on your desktop so you know exactly where it's going. Give it a proper name, so it's the Hello World program. Make sure you put your name so that I know who did it and what this program does. And then you can just click Save. You'll notice that on your desktop now, you'll have this icon or this file that is your file that you've saved. The other option is to share it and upload it to the Scratch website. So you can go share this project online. You'll notice that the name and the program notes are still there. You need to put your login that you got from the Scratch website. So mine is Mr. Coxell, and your password. So hopefully you remember your password, and you can click OK. And that'll save the program, and it will upload it